good day everyone. Today we're going to demonstrate how to charge your EV using a level 2 charge and go charger. So first, I'm going to use my RFID card today. But I would have created my account already, downloading the app from the Google Store for your iPhone. It's a Charge Lab app. Downloaded the app and created my account and linked my credit card to that account so I can use the app or I can use my RFID card. So today I'm going to give the phone a rest and I'm going to use the RFID card. So first, so it detects my account, I'm going to swipe my RFID card and it says please connect your vehicle. So I'm going to select which plug I want because I have the option of 2. I'm taking out the plug. So today the plug is a Menenkes. So I'm going to take an adapter that goes from this type 2 flat top to an American standard, otherwise known as J1772. You know, it has round with 5 pins. The vehicle is off, we're connected into the vehicle. Is now purple. And you can see there's one light flashing, 2 that are steadily lit. Stop the charge. Difference from charging at home as the charging in the public space is that at home you have control, there's no communication required, you can just plug and unplug. But when you're charging from a public charger, you have to follow instructions. So you swipe my RFID card, it says charging stopped. It came up and went, so it's asking you to unplug from the vehicle. I'm plugging for my adapter and it says return the plug to the holder and close the latch, and that's it. Back to green again and it's ready to go. And then I'll receive a receipt on my phone for the charge that I just completed, telling me what was the cost and how much watts or kilowatt hours I just purchased to charge the vehicle. Alright, you'll see that receipt on your phone, and then at the end of the month, all the charges that you have conducted during the month will go to their credit card account. So you'll see it appearing at the end of the month. That's basically it. Just like buying online. So charge and go.